In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose flexible dates on Google Flights. If you want to stretch your travel budget or just keep your options open, the flexible date tools built right into Google Flights make it easy to spot better days to fly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Flights homepage. It's a simple, clean interface focused on helping you compare options quickly. Before you do anything else, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Being logged in keeps your recent searches handy and lets you turn on features like price tracking later. Plus, it saves your preferences across devices. Next, click the box labeled Where From. This is where you set your departure point. You can type a city or a specific airport, and Google will suggest matches as you type. If you're open to different airports nearby, you can start with a broader city and refine if needed. Choose your preferred origin from the suggestions. Now click the box labeled Where To and pick your destination in the same way. Again, typing a city is fine. You can always adjust to a specific airport after you see what's available. This setup tells Google Flights the general route so it can show you the best date options. With your route set, click the departure date field to open the calendar. This is where the flexible date magic happens. You'll see a monthly view with prices shown on many days. Use this view to scan across weeks and spot patterns. Often, midweek departures or returns are cheaper than weekends. Click the day that looks best for your departure. If you're planning a round trip, the calendar will then prompt you to pick your return date. Choose the return that balances cost and convenience. If you don't see prices on some dates, hover or click to let Google fetch the latest fare. A quick tip: if your dates are really flexible, move forward or backward a month and watch how prices shift. Once your departure and return are selected, click Done to lock in your date range. You'll be taken back to the main screen with your choices populated. From here, hit Search to see available flight options that match your flexible date picks. You can refine results by stops, airlines, times, and price if you'd like, but the key is that your carefully chosen date window is now driving the best deals shown. And that's it. You've set up your route, used the calendar to compare flexible dates, and launched a search that prioritizes value. Try a few adjacent days if you want to squeeze out even more savings, and happy flight hunting.